Are you looking for the best wireless video doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless video doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TP-Link Tapo D210 Smart Doorbell. The Tapo D210 doorbell camera offers impressive features to enhance your home security. With its 2K resolution, you can see clearer details and easily identify visitors. The 160 degrees ultra-wide field of view ensures you won't miss anyone at your door. You can also answer visitors directly through phone calls, eliminating the need to open an app. Additionally, activity zones let you focus on specific areas, reducing unwanted alerts and enhancing your peace of mind. This combination of clarity, convenience, and customization makes the Tapo D210 a valuable addition to your home security setup. What we like: high-resolution video quality, wide viewing angle, convenient phone call feature, customizable alerts. Number 2. SUNNYJANE Wireless Video Doorbell Camera. SUNNYJANE Doorbell Camera offers AI-enhanced human recognition, ensuring it detects humans accurately amidst other moving objects. It provides protected cloud storage with encryption for secure data and easy reviewing. Enjoy live two-way interactions with visitors from anywhere. The enhanced night vision feature guarantees clear videos in dim light, enhancing your security. With IP65 weather resistance, this doorbell withstands all weather conditions, offering year-round security. What we like: AI-enhanced human recognition, protected cloud storage, live two-way interactions, enhanced night vision, weather resistant. Number 3. AOSU Doorbell Camera. The AOSU video doorbell offers a comprehensive view of your entrance with its 170 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring you never miss a visitor or package. You'll appreciate the smart package detection feature that sends instant alerts when deliveries arrive, keeping your items secure. With advanced human detection technology, you can reduce false alarms, receiving notifications only when actual visitors are detected. The stunning 2K Full HD video clarity ensures that you can see every detail at your door, bringing peace of mind and convenience to your home security. What we like: wide-angle view, smart package alerts, advanced human detection, 2K Full HD video. Number 4. ieGeek Wireless Doorbell Camera J9. The ieGeek wireless doorbell offers a range of features designed to enhance your home security. With no subscription fees, you can utilize local storage or enjoy lifetime free cloud storage for added peace of mind. The installation is hassle-free, taking just 3 minutes and requiring no messy wiring. You'll appreciate the two-way audio feature, allowing you to communicate directly with visitors, whether to greet them or deter unwanted guests. This doorbell also includes a voice changer, making it fun and versatile for different situations, especially when interacting with children or unexpected visitors. What we like: no subscription fees, easy installation, two-way audio, voice changer feature. Number 5. XTU 2K Video Doorbell. The XTU doorbell camera, also known as XTU 2K Video Doorbell, offers easy installation with adhesive tape or screws, making it perfect for apartment renters. It provides smart motion alerts that accurately detect humans, pets, vehicles, and packages, reducing false alarms. With 2K video quality, wide-angle lens, enhanced night vision, and two-way audio, you will never miss a detail. This smart doorbell integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, enhancing your smart home setup. What we like: easy installation, smart motion alerts, 2K video and audio,